Experiencing low volume with your AirPods Pro hearing aid mode. This is a common issue that can often be resolved through software adjustments. The AirPods Pro's hearing aid feature utilizes the H1 or H2 chip to amplify sounds, functioning as an over-the-counter hearing aid. Default gain settings are often capped for safety, resulting in lower than expected volume. To fix this, first, ensure your AirPods are paired with the latest iOS version, 18.2 or later is recommended. Then navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing Devices on your iOS device. Increase the volume slider to your desired level. Additionally, toggle the volume boost feature for increased gain. Consider disabling active noise cancellation to prevent audio processing that might further reduce volume. Regularly updating your iOS and AirPods firmware will incorporate calibration tweaks that address these volume limitations. If you're finding that high-frequency sounds are muffled or compressed, this is another common issue with the AirPods Pro hearing aid mode. This compression occurs due to adaptive algorithms designed to prioritize speech clarity by reducing higher frequencies above 2 kHz, which can flatten the overall sound. To improve clarity, access headphone accommodations within the accessibility settings. Here, you can make frequency-specific adjustments to boost the 2 to 8 kHz range. Experiment with custom EQ settings using apps like Dolby Atmos or third-party tools such as Equalizer FX. The goal is to decompress the highs without sacrificing battery life. Some users have found success by using the Hearing Test app to calibrate the audio output. Note that while these fixes are effective for mild to moderate hearing loss, severe hearing loss may require professional audiological consultation for optimal results.